Hello friends, this is Kulen Kalita and you are watching TLM Ideas by Kulen. So today our topic is to discuss about prime numbers. So what is a prime number? Prime numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 1 in the number itself. So if we take some numbers starting from 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. then we get the prime numbers are like 2 because the 2 is divisible. So okay, let us see one by one. 1 is not a prime number because it should be greater than 1. So 1 is not a prime number. We cancel out one by one. Come to 2. Let us divide the number 2. We can divide the number 2 by 1 and 2 itself. We cannot divide by any other number except 1 and 2. So it satisfies the condition of prime number. This is a prime number. 2 is a prime number. Come to 3. 3 is also divisible by 1 and 3 itself. So 3 is also a prime number. 2 is a prime number. 3 is a prime number. Come to 4. 4 is divisible by 1, by 2 and by 4 itself. So since this the number is divisible by 1, 2 and 4, it means more than two numbers. I mean 1 and the number itself. There is another number which is 2. So this is not a prime number. 5, it is divisible by 1 and 5. So this is a prime number. 6, this is divisible by 1, by 2, by 3 and by 6. So this is not a prime number. This is not a prime number. Come to 7. 1 and 7. So this number 1 and 7 are divisible by number 1 and the number itself. So 7 is a prime number. 8, 1, 2, 4, 8. So this is not a prime number. 9 is 1, 3 and 9. So this is not a prime number. 10 is also not a prime number. So we can this way we can easily find out which are the prime numbers and which are not. 2, 3, 5, 7, they are the prime numbers. So how many prime numbers we have found between 1 and 10? They are 4. So this way from 1 up to 100 we can easily remember how many numbers are prime between 1 and 100. So our motto is to teach you. My motto is to teach you how a shortcut technique is used to remember this kind of prime numbers. So let us remember we have a mobile and we have a mobile number. So just remember, just you take by heart by a mobile number 4422322321. This is a sequence to remember for the prime numbers. I want to read once again 44223223 and 21. This way, if you remember this sequence of numbers, then you can find from 1 up to 10 there are 4 prime numbers. For a second, from 11 up to 20 you have again 4 prime numbers. From 20 up to 30 you have 2 prime numbers. Then come to 31 to 40 you have again 2 prime numbers. From 41 to 50 you have 3 prime numbers. From 51 to 60 you have 2 prime numbers. From 61 to 70 you have 2 prime numbers. From 71 to 80 you have 3 prime numbers. From 81 to 90 you have 2 prime numbers. And from 91 to 100 you have 1 prime number. So this way we can easily remember the prime numbers between this kind of numbers. Again, if we calculate from 1 up to 50, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, how many numbers are there? I mean the prime numbers are there in between 1 up to 50, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 3, 4, 15. So there are 15 numbers in between 1 and 50. And how many prime numbers are there between 1 and 100? We have 15, then 17, then 19, then 22, 24, 25. So 25. We have 25 numbers in between 1 and 100. Okay, this is a sequence to remember only how many numbers are there. But if the question comes, what are the prime numbers between 1 and 100? How can you easily remember to find out the prime numbers? So we have a small trick. Come to the trick. So we have here a sequence of writing the numbers. So we first write the numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In our trick, we have to write the numbers in this way. Up to 6 only we write. We arrange the numbers in writing up to 6. Then it starts again from 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It ends in 12. Again starts from 13, then 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. It ends in 18. So this is the arrangement of the numbers because in this trick that we are going to find out what are the prime numbers available in between 1 and 100. So come, how can we learn this trick? Okay, so we have already found 1 is not a prime number. Yes, so 1 can be cancelled. 1 is not a prime number, we know, because it should be greater than 1. So let us come to 2. 2. So let us see the column 2, 8, 14, 20, 26. It means these are the numbers which are all divisible by 2. So let us cut all them. 2 is a prime number. 2 is a prime number, but these all numbers are divisible by 2. Come to 3. 3 is a prime number, but in this column, if we look at that, all these numbers are divisible by 3. All the numbers are divisible by 3. Yes, up to here we can cut. Then come to 4. 4 is not a prime number, but by 4 and by 2, all the numbers are divisible. We can easily cut. Come to 5. 5 is a prime number, but these all numbers are not divisible. So let it be. We cannot divide all these numbers. By 6. By 6, all these numbers are divisible. It means the column is divisible by 6. Okay. Now what remains? It remains 7. 7 is a number which is a prime. So 7 is a prime number. We can cut this way: 7, 14, 21, 28, 35 and 42. Then after 42, it starts again. 49. 49. Then we can cut this way, and this way, 91 and 95. Okay, by 7. We have another number by 5. So can we cut this? 10, 15, 20, 25. Then again 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Then 16, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. Again 90, 95. So we have already cut all the numbers which are divisible by some numbers. So what are the remaining numbers? Let us round it. Let us make it round. This one: 31, 37, 43, 61, 67, 73, 79, 97. Then these are all cancel. Remain here 11, 17, 23, 29, 41, 47, 53, 59, 71, 83, 89. Then all are cancelled. So only these numbers are remain. Look at nicely. Only the round figure numbers are remain, and these are the available prime numbers in between 1 and 100. So this is the way of to remember all the numbers quickly and easily. Okay, now let us come to another chapter. Now if a number is given and we have to check it whether it is a prime number or not. Okay, for that purpose we have to remember a formula which is n square is greater than equal p. What is n and what is p? P is prime number or the number what is given. N is the number which is we have to be chosen. We will choose it, and its square should be greater or equal than the given number. So suppose 1, 1 and 3. 1, 1 and 3, we have to check that this number is a prime number or not. What we will do? So our formula is n square is greater than equal p. So here p means 1, 1, 3. And you have to make it a square so that it should be equal 11 and 113 or more than 113. So 10 square means 100. It is less. No, we cannot do it. 11 square means 11 square means 121, which is greater than 113. So we can write 11 square. Okay. So now how to find out how this is 113 is a prime number or not? What we have to do? Write down 113. Now count the prime numbers which are less than 11 or up to 11, starting from 2, then 3, then 5, then 7. We don't get any other prime number less than 11 again. So let us count. So can we divide 113 by 2? No, because in units place there is 3. We cannot divide, so it cancel. By 3, add them up. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. We cannot divide 5 by 3, so 3 is cancelled. Now, if in units place there is a 0 or a 5, then it is divisible by 5. But in this case, we cannot divide. By 7, we cannot divide. It means since 113 is not divisible by 2, 3 and 5, 2, 3, 5 and 7. So now 113 is a prime number. Is a prime number. Okay. Let us take an example, 219. Okay, 219. So it should be greater than equal, and let us take a number which square should be greater than or equal to 219. So 15 square is equal to 225. Okay, we can write because its square is greater than 219. So 15 square. 15 square is 219. So what is the way of writing? 219, and write down the prime numbers up to 15. So what are those? 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11 and 13. Okay, these are the prime numbers less than 15. So check one by one. By 2, in units place this is not even, that's why it cannot be divided. By 3, add them up. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. 12 is divisible by 2, so we can divide this number by 10. So no need to check again these numbers, because this 219 is divisible by 3. Since it is divisible by other numbers, it is not a prime. So this is the way we can easily find out whether a given number is a prime or not. So the formula to be remembered is n square is greater than or equal p, where p is the number given, where p is the number given to you, and n is the number. You have to choose yourself which square should be greater than or equal to the given number. So I think you understood the formula or understood the trick to find out the prime numbers from 1 up to 100, and also the given number which is a prime or not. I think you enjoyed. Okay, write me in comment. If any question or queries are there, I will try to solve you. Okay, so if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and share. Thank you very much.